I just found an untapped niche on TikTok that has zero competition and is getting millions of views. For example, this channel has over 700,000 followers, 24 million likes, and has earned upwards of $50,000 on just TikTok alone. This niche works for YouTube Shorts too, and today I'm going to give you everything you need to make these videos with zero coding experience. This course alone is worth over $200 and has helped students reach revenues of over $3,000 per month. Please make sure you leave a like as we are going to give this to you completely free of charge. If we reach 1,000 likes in this video, we'll drop an extra completely untapped niche that's exclusive to Creator Hub. Start by going to unity.com/download and download Unity Hub. Once that's done, open the file you downloaded to finish the installation process. Once completed, open Unity Hub and go to Installs, and then Install Editor. Click on the Archive button and the Download Archive link. Select the 2022 tab and scroll down until you see 2022.3.28. Install this editor. Now back in Unity, go to the Projects tab and click New Project. Make sure you have the 2022.3.28 version selected that you just downloaded. Select Universal 3D and create the project. To get the project files for this niche, head over to our free school and sign up. Once you're in, head over to the music niche in the classroom. You will see a bunch of free templates that you can choose from. In this video, we will be installing template 1, so head over to the template 1 section and click download. Once Unity is done opening, double-click on the project file you downloaded to open it in Unity. Select Import to start importing the project. Once it's done, you can go to the Scenes folder and select template 1. If you go to the Game tab, you will see what it looks like when recording. In order to make the visualization sync up to the music, you need to use MIDI files. For the purpose of this installation video, we will just be setting up with the pre-made files we already have made for you. But after this video, you can go back to the school course where there's a bunch of extra resources and videos for you to make your own melodies. For now, just head over to the links section and download each of these files. Locate the first downloaded MIDI file. This is going to be faded1.mid. Right-click it, then select Copy as Path. Now back in Unity, click the drop-down menu for the first ring and select the circle arm. Since this is the first ring, we're going to be using the first MIDI file, so paste in the file path that you copied. Now delete the quotation marks. Now back in your files, find faded2.mid. This is the MIDI file for the second ring. Right-click it again and copy the path, and paste this file location onto the circle arm of the second ring. You can repeat this process for all rings. Since this song only consists of 4 MIDI files, I'm going to be deactivating the 5, 6, and 7 rings. On the ring manager, I need to provide one last MIDI file to control the activation times. This is the file labeled fadedactivate.mid. Right-click it and select Copy as Path. Paste the file path in and get rid of the quotation marks again. This MIDI file contains the times that each ring will be activated. In order to record your videos, select Window, Package Manager, Unity Registry, and search for the recorder. Select Install. Once that's done, you can go to Window, General, Recorder, Recorder Window. Select Add Recorder, Movie. Make the path the Assets folder and target FPS 60. Set the output resolution to custom. Make the width 1080 and the height 1920. Now select Start Recording to run the simulation. You will see that the nodes get created along the ring's edge. In order to start playing, press the spacebar. Let this run until all rings have been created and a full rotation is complete on all rings. Once you're done recording, you can go to the Recordings folder and find your simulation video. All that's left to do is to add music. Now drag and drop in the MP3 file that was located in the school, fadedsong.mp3. Drag both of these into the timeline and make a cut in the video once you see it start playing. Drag the audio file to the beginning and play the video to make sure it lines up. As you can see, mine is lining up perfectly. Now you can go to the end of the audio file and cut off any extra video length that is unneeded. And that's the video completed. Now you have your first video set up. You can head over to the school course section where you can start to learn how to create your own melodies. We also have different templates that you can choose from with full guides on how to set them up. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment or post in our community. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment on what niche you want to see next, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because if this video reaches 1,000 likes, we will be giving away a completely fresh and unique niche.